नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। आज ये वीडियो जो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ, इसका एग्जैक्टिवली हमें बहुत फ़ायदा होता है और ये हमारे एविडेंस के अंदर बहुत सपोर्ट करेगा जब हम डिपार्टमेंटल या डीजी लैंड या डीओ या एमईओ या सीओ की नॉन फंक्शनिंग ऑफ देयर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑर्डर्स की दिखाना चाहेंगे। एक डिपार्टमेंट है जिसको कहा जाता है ऑडिट डिपार्टमेंट डिफेंस सर्विसेज, विच इज अ सीएजी ऑफ द डिफेंस, कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ डिफेंस लैंड्स। Now, how does this department work? So, when I was researching, I wanted to know from the CAG, because I had written a lot of RTI letters in 2010 to the CAG India. So my letters were transferred to the CAG Defence, and gradually they moved to their subsidiary offices in Calcutta, Patna, Chennai, Bombay, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Lucknow. So I started getting information from there under, which is in abundance. I have reports of the CAGs done from 1957-60s. So just to mention you one thing, you people will be stunned and surprised. In a report of CAG, when the World Cup had to happen in India, friends, you will be surprised that Eden Garden, what am I saying? Eden Garden, Calcutta, is a property of the Ministry of Defence and has been leased out to the West Bengal Cricket Association, which is a profit-making association. But you will be surprised, on 5 rupees that whole property has been given to the. So what are we saying? So these kind of information I got from Danapur, Patna, how lands have been misused. Departmental stores have been opened on government lands on peanuts amount. Prime locations in Delhi cantonments have been given to VIPs. So there's huge problem. So where does this book or where does this section act says? It is the manual called Audit Department Defence Services, Volume 7, Part B and C. In its Chapter 30, Defence Estate Management, it very clearly reads many instructions under their duties as to how and what the CAG officers of defense will audit the land records. Now, DOs and COs and their subordinate staffs like their JEs and their UDCs have to give in all the files of the working of that very department and hand over these land documents under section 649. No records are maintained and managed by them as per section 655 as put in the auditor's report in my RTIs. Now, what are these sections which include the most wanted registers by us in court? What is it? The Journal Land Register, Volume 1 to Volume 4. The Military Land Register, the Requisitioned and Hired Register, the Land Revenue Register, and the most important is Grant Registers of buildings, what we are put under presumption. So this is that evidence we can lead, we can bring if we people can file RTIs, ask for when a cantonment county or Aurangabad was audited last by the Defence Department. So that's how. Now this same chapter which I just mentioned you above in section 657, it even talks of assignment of cash books. So what is the expenditure being done by the department on this entire hierarchy is to be also, if wanted, can be brought in by RTI, but that is not much of our subject. So this means that all departments come under the law So what do we do? All we need to make it a religious doing and file these RTIs and extract our land records for your particular estate. Let's see. And once this starts happening, CAG is being hackled for information under these two sections of land audit. RTI letters are reaching. Those officers will wake up. And instead of writing a small note that documents are not being provided by the department or the DOs, they will stop doing it and they'll write strictures on it so that it will affect the annual reports of the officers and the DOs. Friends, we can do this provided we are united. We are itself, by ourselves, are not corrupt. Let's see how many people will file RTI, because I have a lot of friends now in the CAG Defense Department who have really got to know that, Mr. Das, your knowledge and questions make us feel that we never knew that we could do this. So friends, wake up, get to your RTIs, and if any question, get back to me. I've been always saying, we are old grants converted into new grants. All we have to remember, and we were paying revenue for our lands. Thank you. Good day.